Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. अच्छा
Good
ये
morning,
बताइए.
ma'am.
Good morning, children. What did we do in the previous class?
Ma'am, determiners.
Determiners.
Those who had posted on the group. How many exercises we had posted on the group? We had done in the
Ma'am,
notebook.
2 exercises.
Two exercises. Have you all finished your written work? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Many of you have not posted. Today at 5 o'clock, everybody will post and I will put a tick in front of your name. If your work does not come, I'll call your parents. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody will post together at what time?
5
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Yes, I'm giving you time so that those who have not done can do it. I have your class list. I'll keep putting a tick in front of your name. Those who don't do, I'll certainly call your parents to school. 10th है बेटा, ऐसे नहीं चल पाएगा. Okay, चलिए. Now just tell me one thing. We have done these two exercises. Let me show it to you. These two we have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do this one now. Please put today's date and write exercise 3. Let's do it. साथ साथ करते हैं. Okay, we'll do
Ma'am, those
together.
who send it, we have to send again.
Beta, you'll have to send again because today's work also, no? I will put a tick. I've already put a tick in front of your names, those who sent. So I'll put a double tick. मतलब second day वाला भी दिखा दिया. This is how I am maintaining a record. Okay? I put the dates and I put a tick. So I had put a tick that day and today's work also I'll put your tick. Your internal marks, 20 marks will be based on how regular you are in sending your work. I saw yesterday you people had posted some other work. I think civics work or something also. After
Yes,
English
ma'am.
work, after English work, I saw you people posted civics also. So please put today's date and write exercise 3. Ready? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Let's start. A dash interview can be defined as. Tell me
N
the answer.
into N.
Ma'am,
N.
an interview.
Very good, very good. An interview can be defined as dash conversation with.
Mind conversation with.
No. No. Anyone else?
Yours.
No. No. Anyone else? Speak with us.
There.
Ma'am,
Oh, very good. A conversation with. So we've got the correct answer. It is a. A conversation with dash definite structure.
ma'am,
Very good. A definite structure and objective. It goes beyond dash everyday discussion.
ma'am,
N.
No. Acha, and chal jayega. Yes, it goes beyond an everyday discussion with no particular purpose. There are dash possible interview situations.
ma'am, some,
No. What would be better?
There are.
Tell me. There are
Few.
dash possible.
ma'am,
No.
many,
Many.
Yes.
Yes. Many would be the best answer. There are many possible interview situations, but all involve dash interviewer. Dash interviewer.
Many.
No.
ma'am, some,
No.
Few. Few.
No. Think about articles.
N.
An interviewer. Very good. An interviewer and dash interviewee. Tell me the answer.
N.
interview.
Very good. And both of them will be and. An interviewer and an interviewee. Who is an interviewer?
Those who give interview.
No, those who take interview.
To take
Yes,
interview.
ma'am.
Those who take
Yes,
interview.
ma'am.
Who is an interviewer?
Ma'am, those who take interview.
Those who take interview.
And who is an interviewee?
Ma'am, those who
Those who
take
give
interview.
interview.
Very good. तो जिसका इंटरव्यू हो रहा है, that is interviewer or interviewee?
Interview.
Interviewee. जो ले रहा है, that is
Interviewer.
interviewer. Very good. So, can you give me the answers? Dash interviewer and dash interviewee.
Ma'am,
N.
an
Interviewer and an interviewee.
Very good. Let's move further then. It is normal for dash former.
Ma'am, for the former. For
The former. Very good. It is in former to ask dash latter direct questions.
To ask the
ma'am, to ask a letter.
ma'am, the
What do you mean by former and latter? Tell me what do you mean by former and latter? Does anyone know the meaning of former and latter? Any idea? बेटा जो पहला होता है उसको फॉर्मर बोलते हैं, जिसके बारे में पहले बात हो रही है या जो पहले आया है, दैट इज फॉर्मर. एंड जो सेकंड होता है उसको बोलते हैं लैटर. ओके, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन कॉल्ड?
former.
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 एंड बाद वाले को क्या बोलते हैं?
Letter.
Letter.
So can you tell me in this passage former कौन है, interviewee or interviewer?
Interviewer. Interviewer.
ध्यान से रीड करो बेटा सेंटेंस. इंटरव्यूअर ना. वेरी गुड, बिकॉज इंटरव्यूअर के बारे में पहले बात हुआ. So who is going to
Ma'am,
be the
because
former?
interview asked.
Interviewer.
Yes, we have, if we read the sentence, then which word comes first? Interviewer or interviewee?
Ma'am, interview.
Interviewer.
So who is former? Interviewer or interviewee?
Interviewer.
Very good. And who is latter?
Interview.
Interviewee.
Good. Chale, let us continue. To ask the latter direct questions and record dash answers. Tell me the record dash answers.
Ma'am, the
Record the answers. Record the answers. The questions may be prepared in advance or they may occur as dash interview develops.
N.
Yes, very good. As an interview develops. The recordings are done on paper but may also be done by audio or video recording. Interviews can take place anywhere in dash street, cafe, office, bar or
In the.
restaurant.
In
No,
the.
not the. No, not the.
In a.
Yes, in a cafe, street. Now, one of you please speak out all the answers, the entire passage. Come on, who will speak? Others can check. Who wants to speak?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
I.
speak?
Ha, beta. One of you speak out quickly, and others please check your answers. Start.
An interview can be defined as a conversation with a definite structure and objective. It goes beyond an everyday discussion with no particular purpose. There are many possible interview situation, but all involve an interviewer and an interviewee. It is normal for the former to ask the latter direct question and record the answers. The question may be prepared in advance or they may occur as an interview develops. The recording is often done on paper but may also be done by audio or video recording. Interviews can take place anywhere in a street, cafe, office, bar, restaurant, etc.
Did you check your answers? Did she go all correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let's start the second one now. Please write exercise number. What exercise number is this?
Fourth.
Yes, please write exercise 4. Write carefully and then one of you will again read out the answers. Once dash priest had to visit. Tell me, fill in the blanks. Once dash priest had to visit.
Ma'am,
A priest. Yes,
A.
very good. Very good. Once a priest had to visit dash new city.
The.
Very good. A new city to deliver dash lecture.
ma'am, the lecture.
The.
नहीं बेटा, a lecture. The तभी यूज करते हैं जब हम उस बात कर चुके हों. So lecture word is coming first time in the paragraph. We have not mentioned it earlier. Remember, the is used for definite places, definite people. और अगर हम किसी चीज के बारे में पहले बात कर चुके हैं, then we can say the. क्या you say, I saw a boy in the garden. The boy was wearing a blue shirt. Why did I say the second time? Because I've already mentioned about the boy. So chaliye. I saw a priest and had to visit a new city to deliver a lecture at dash town hall.
At the town.
A town hall.
At the town hall. Because town hall is a definite place. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. जो fixed होते हैं places. We use the with them. He left dash hotel early.
Ma'am,
He
left
left the hotel early because we're talking about one specific hotel, not any hotel. So the hotel, and decided to walk down to dash town hall.
To the town hall.
ma'am, the
क्योंकि
town.
हम लोग already town hall कर चुके हैं. Being dash
A
stranger.
strange.
A stranger.
Being a stranger in dash new city.
Ma'am,
In the.
In the.
The क्यों बेटा? City के बारे में पहले कहीं बात नहीं हुआ है. So in
In
a new
that.
city. In a city. He soon lost dash way.
ma'am, the way.
Yes, he soon
His.
lost away. His way is also correct. He approached dash group of children.
Ma'am,
The.
He.
children.
The.
Why the group of children के
A
बारे में
group of children.
कोई बात नहीं हुआ है
Ma'am.
अभी.
A.
Yes, he approached a group of children. पहले नहीं mention है ना कहीं भी. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
he approached a group of children and asked them for directions. After explaining dash way to him.
Ma'am, the way.
The way.
Their way.
Yes, the way, because we've already mentioned about way now. So we can use the
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
The way. उसके बाद to him. One of dash boys.
One
Ma'am,
of the
the
boys.
Why have you used the now?
Ma'am, because there is
We have
singular.
one specific.
We have already mentioned about the boys playing. एक बार हम बता चुके हैं paragraph में about the boys, that the boys were playing. So जिसका भी reference एक बार
Yes,
पहले
ma'am.
हो चुका है, we can always use the. Why he wanted to go to dash town hall?
Ma'am, the town hall.
To the town.
The town hall, very good. चलिए आगे. He told them that he was going there to give dash lecture.
Ma'am, the lecture.
To a lecture.
Yes, lecture, the lecture or a lecture. The boy inquired about dash topic.
About a topic.
the topic. I'll tell you why the topic. जो भी चीज fixed होती है, the is a definite article. So we use the. So topic must be fixed, no? It cannot be any topic. So the topic. The topic of dash lecture.
The way. The
Ma'am,
way.
Topic of the lecture to which dash priest replied.
The priest replied.
Very good. To which the priest replied that he was going to give dash lecture.
The lecture.
The lecture.
The lecture on dash way.
On the
Ma'am,
Very
on
good. On
the
the way. To dash kingdom of heaven.
to a kingdom of heaven.
The. Why the? Because kingdom of heaven is the
But it's
fixed.
only one.
Okay, kingdom of heaven, the. The boy gave dash hearty laugh. Very good. The boy gave a hearty laugh and said, "You don't know dash way."
The way.
you don't know the
Very
time.
good. Very
Ma'am,
good. You
the
don't know
way.
the way to dash town hall.
To the town.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
to
You
the
don't
town.
know the way to the town hall. How can you tell people dash way to dash heaven?
Ma'am, the way to a
The
heaven.
way to
Ma'am, the way to the heaven.
the way to the
The
heaven.
way to the heaven. Very good. Why did we use the with heaven?
Because we already talk about heaven.
Yes. The priest had already told him that I'm going to tell people the way to go to heaven. What did the priest tell the boy?
Heaven.
What lecture? What is he going to tell the people? Why had he come there? To give a lecture on what?
Kingdom of heaven.
Yes, he had come to the city to tell people the way to go to the heaven. So what did the boy make fun of him for? Tell me, what did you understand? The boy made fun of the priest. He says that you don't even know the way to whom, where to which place?
To town
Heaven.
hall. Can you
Town
tell
hall.
people the way of kingdom of
Yes.
heaven?
Yes, how will you tell people the way to heaven? He himself does not even know the way to which place?
Ma'am, town hall.
Town hall.
Town hall. So he's making fun. The boy is making fun of the priest that why are you fooling people? You yourself don't know the way to even the town hall, and you're saying that I'm going to tell people the way to go to heaven. One of you now, somebody else, please pick out the answers.
Heaven.
Start, who'll speak?
Ma'am, can I?
Ha, beta. You spoke earlier?
Once up.
Wait. Did you
No,
only
ma'am.
speak earlier? No? Okay, then you speak. I want everybody to speak. We'll help you if it goes wrong. इसमें इतने परेशान होने का कोई बात नहीं. Start.
Once a priest had to visit a new city to deliver a lecture at the town hall. He left the hotel early and decided to walk down to the town hall. Being a strange in a new city, he soon lost the way. He approached a group of children and asked them for direction. After explaining the way to him, one of the boys asked him why he wanted to go to the town hall. He told them that he was going there to give a lecture. The boy inquired about the topic of the lecture, to which the priest replied that he was going to give the lecture on the way to the kingdom of heaven. The boy gave a hearty laugh and said, "You don't know the way to the town hall. How can you tell people the way to heaven?" Ma'am, done.
Very good. Very good. She's given all the correct answers.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
everybody, one more child to speak. Have you written the
Yes,
answers,
ma'am.
everybody? Have you written the answers, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One more
ma'am.
child. One more
Yes,
child,
ma'am.
please. Who's going to
Once
speak
a
now?
priest, ma'am, me.
Huh.
Once a priest had to visit a new city to deliver a lecture at the town. He left a hotel early and decided to walk down to the town hall. Being a stranger in a new city, he lost soon the way. He approached a group of children and asked for them for direction. After explaining the way to him, one of the boys asked him why he wanted to go to the town hall. He told them that he was going to there to give a lecture. The boy inquired about the topic of the lecture, to which the priest replied that he was going to give the lecture on the way to the kingdom of heaven. Gave the boy gave a hearty laugh and said, "You don't know the way to the town hall. How can you tell the people? How can you tell people the way to the heaven?" I'm done.
Very good, very good. She's given all the correct answers. Who else is going to speak? One more child, just one more. Are we done? I don't think we need to repeat if you've all written the answers. We've all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Yes,
Then let's
ma'am.
move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Let's not do it again. 2 times we've already done. Tell me, which exercise number is this?
I'm 5.
Fifth.
5. Very good. Chali, let's do. It was dash long and complicated form.
It was a
Ma'am,
long.
long.
Very good. It was a long and complicated form, running into 4 sheets, filling some of
A
dash
column.
column. Hmm?
A column.
Beta, it is columns. Columns.
Ma'am, the column.
Hmm? Beta, it is columns, not column.
I'm N.
The
I'm N.
we cannot use a because a is used with singulars. And अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, it is not column. What is the word? Columns.
Column.
है ना बेटा? Is it singular or is it plural?
Ma'am, plural.
Plural. So we cannot use a. What should we use? The. We are
The.
going to use the because it is
The.
not singular. So we'll use the. ठीक है, चलिए आगे चलते हैं. Columns was dash tough job.
A tough job.
Very good. The gentleman at dash counter.
At the counter.
At
The counter.
Very good. Because we are not talking about any counter. We are talking about only that counter where gentleman is sitting. So we will say the counter. Was of no help. Dash voice was gruff.
A voice.
A voice.
No.
Ma'am, the
His
voice was.
voice.
No.
Use
Yes.
possessives. His voice was gruff
His voice.
and dash face. His face.
And
And
his
his face bore a permanent scowl. मुंह पे हमेशा what you say ना frown on the face. वो परेशानी का जो sign होता है face पे, that is called a scowl. अब देखो बेटा ये sentence how we have made. His voice was gruff and his face wore a permanent scowl. So is the gentleman friendly?
No.
Is he friendly? No, he is not friendly.
No.
What is there on his face?
Scowl.
Permanent
Scowl.
scowl.
Scowl. चेहरे पे वो फ्राउन लेके बैठते हैं ना कुछ लोग हमेशा कि बहुत परेशान है, गुस्से में है. That is what we call a scowl. He had already rattled 2 boys. Rattle means परेशान करना. Ahead of me by rejecting their forms. What had that man done?
Rejecting their forms.
Yes. He had rejected the forms of 2 more people. I reluctantly approached dash young lady.
A young lady.
A young lady, very good. A young lady at dash next window.
The.
At the next
Very good.
window.
Very good, very
At
good.
the
At
next
the
window.
next window. I timidly asked dash if she could help me.
Ask the.
Asked that.
That.
I timidly asked
Ask.
that
Yes, ma'am.
if she could help me with the form. I timidly asked that if she could help me with the form. Why did he not go to that man? Why is he asking the lady to help? Anyone?
Because he.
Because he had already rejected. What
The
did he do?
form.
Yes, he had already rejected 2 forms. So this boy is very afraid to go to him. He is feeling that he will reject my form also. So he does not go to him. Whom does he go to?
Young lady.
Yes,
I'm a
young
young
lady.
lady.
And he's saying, can you help me? Now let's see what the lady does. She discussed dash form with me.
I'm the
The.
form.
The.
Very good. She discussed the form with me and dash entire job was over in 5 minutes.
N.
And
N.
The entire job. Because we already talking, what is the job? It is about filling the form. Yeah, we are talking about the job. What is it? It is filling the form. Which job is it we talking about? Filling the form. I was really impressed with dash kind patience.
With
With
a
the-
kind patient.
With her. What is the answer?
with her.
Yes, with her kind patience. I thanked dash for
I
dash invisible help.
Her. I thanked her.
I thanked her
Very,
for
very good. Hmm.
For
See
an
this?
invaluable help.
Yes, very good. She discussed the form with me. I thanked her for the invaluable help. That day I realized how dash change.
How a little change.
Hmm.
in the attitude
In
could
an
make.
attitude.
Yes. I realized how a little change in the attitude could make a difference. That's okay. Could make, see this. That day I realized how a little change in the attitude could make the world a better place to live in. I'm repeating the sentence. That day I realized how a little change in the attitude could make the world a better place to live in. Now who will read? Tell. Come on, one of you read out.
It was a long and complicated form running into 4 sheets. Filling some of the column was a tough job. The gentleman at the counter was also of no help. His voice was gruff and his face was uh, his face bore a permanent scowl. He had already rattled 2 boys ahead of me by rejecting their form. I recurrently approached a young lady at the next window. I timidly asked that if she could help me with the form. She discussed the form with me, and the entire job was over in 5 minutes. I was really impressed with her kind patience. I thanked her for an invaluable help. That day I realized how a little change in the attitude could make the world a better place to live in.
Yes, very good, very good. So we are done with this exercise. What exercise number was this?
I'm 5.
5.
5.
Fifth.
Let's very good. Let's do one more, the last one, and then you please post your answers today at 5 o'clock. All post together. Once upon dash time.
Once upon a time.
Very good. Once upon a time, dash boy went on.
The
A boy.
On a
A boy went on dash holidays.
On the
holiday.
holidays.
No, holidays is plural.
On the
Yes, once upon a time, a boy went on the holidays to dash great castle.
to a great castle.
Yes,
To the
a
To
great
a great.
castle. And through all dash rooms and corridors.
All the.
all the rooms.
Very good. Apart from one wing which he never entered for fear of dash darkness there.
Fear of the darkness.
The
Very good.
darkness.
In that part of dash castle,
The castle.
The
we've already mentioned the castle. In that
yes,
part of
ma'am.
the castle lived dash frightened multicolored ghost.
Uh
Very
Frightened.
good. Because you've not talked about the ghost. So, he had never left that area because he was afraid of dash light.
afraid of the lights.
The lights. Both dash boy and dash ghost.
The boy
Ma'am, both the boy.
and the ghost.
Very good. Both the boy and the ghost, because दोनों का पहले बात कर चुके हैं, tried to overcome their fears several times but without success. That was until one day when Dash boy summoned up.
When the boy,
Very
The
good.
boy.
The boy summoned up all Dash courage,
all courage.
all his courage, all his courage, and started crossing Dash dark corridor.
corridor.
dark.
Very good. The dark corridor. He managed to do this by imagining that Dash friends had organized.
His
That
friend.
a friend
Good. His friends. Good. His friends had organized Dash surprise party for him.
A surprise. Party.
Yes, a surprise party for him, and were waiting in Dash darkness.
the darkness.
The
In
darkness.
the darkness.
The boy and Dash ghost.
The boy and the ghost.
Yes, the boy and the ghost met there and soon became friends. So friendly did they
That the
become that
boy
Dash. Very good. The boy helped.
that the boy helped the ghost.
Very good. The boy helped the
Help
ghost
the ghost
The fear.
overcome the fear of the light.
Very good. The boy helped the ghost overcome the fear of the light. Very quickly, I still have 2 minutes. Please, one of you read out the answers so that others can write it as well. Read out the answers. Read quickly. One of you read out.
Once upon a time, a boy went on the holidays to great castle. To the great castle, he ran through all the rooms and corridors apart from one wing which he had never entered for fear of the darkness. Uh,
Hmm.
fear of the darkness. There, in the part of the castle, lived in a frightened, multicolored ghost. He had never left that area because he was afraid of the light. Both the boy and the ghost tried to overcome their several times, but without success. That was until one day when when the ghost when the boy summoned up all his courage and started crossing the dark corridor. He managed to do this by imagining that his friends had organized a surprise party for him and were waiting in the darkness. The boy and the ghost, the boy and the ghost met there and soon became great friends. So friendly they became that the boy helped the ghost overcome the fear of the light.
Very good. What time are we supposed to post the answers today?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
How many exercises?
6.
Ma'am, 6.
See, I will not give any reminders. Those who do not post, simply I'll give 0 in the internals. I don't care, it's board examination or whatever. I've been telling you very softly, those who post well and good, those who don't post, their choice. I'll not remind you again. Chaliye, thank you so much, children. You can join your next class now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.